So you have a flat tire. Not to worry, changing it is easy and only takes a few minutes. First, make sure your emergency brake is engaged. This will prevent the vehicle from rolling. Next, locate your spare and jack. These can usually be found in the trunk. Lay out your tools so they're easy to reach. Locate the pinch weld where the body and frame meet. Slide the jack underneath and raise it until it touches the weld. Loosen the lug nuts just a bit, then jack up the car. Make sure the tire has completely lifted off the ground. Now remove the lug nuts and the flat tire. Put on the spare and replace the lug nuts. Lower the car until the tire makes contact with the ground. Tighten the nuts in a star pattern. This ensures that the tire goes on straight. Drop the car down the rest of the way, and you're good to go. Remember, engage the e-brake, place the jack under the pinch weld, make sure the tire has cleared the ground, and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. For more tips, visit youtube.com/HondaWestTV.